Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for your POCO M5. So to start, we'll need to download the app, and you can find it on the Google Play Store. Simply search for Notify Body. From here, when you open the app, you'll need to move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. First one being phone permission, second overlay permission. Here we need to find Notify Body and allow display over the other apps. And the last is notification permission, and do the same thing. Last option, which is not permission, is off battery optimization, and it's optional. Now let's move on to the next step. And right here we can start using the app. You can see 4 tabs down here. First one is user. So pick in here you need to pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In the system you can find all system bound apps. In active you'll find all apps that you've just activated. And for the settings, you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button, and right here we can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.